As we were focusing in on the renovations, we were able to change the things that actually weren't working in the house. And one of them was the fact that this entryway had a drop ceiling. It had a walkway that was a little bit odd, connecting the stairway here, and the entry to the master bedroom suite was actually somewhere over there. So we took this opportunity, since all of the walls were open, because this was really truly a full gut renovation, to make this a proper, beautiful master bedroom suite. We started out with changing out the window and really working with these beautiful architectural angles in this entry. Of course, this chandelier just finishes the space and is such an incredible focal point, noting all of these fantastic changes. You walk through these big double doors, which are just so elegant, and you go into the family's wonderful, relaxing study. And what a way to just sit down after a long day's work and read, or just to do a little bit of work. This was actually where the master bedroom ended. It was just this area. And what we did is we added this beautiful addition, which is actually over the garage. So now the family has, this couple has a lovely master bedroom suite. You have a place to sit down and read by the window, almost like a day bed, and just sit down and relax. It's the perfect way to end a very long day after a day of work.